Hello everyone! Have you ever dreamed of traveling the world but feel like you had to be financially free to make it happen? But what if I told you that there's a job that allows you to travel, earn an income, and have complete control over your schedule? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not a fantasy. In fact, it's something I've been doing for over 8 years. Today, I'm going to reveal how I travel the world and get paid for it. Stay with me to the end because I will be sharing actionable tips for anyone looking to break free from the 9 to 5 grind and explore the global without going break. But first, if you haven't already, check out my previous video on how traveling shaped my personality. Trust me, you will want to watch that for some deeper insights into how travel can change your life. Let's dive in. During my travels, my income primarily comes from two sources, working as a giver and being a content creator. Let me break down both of these for you, including what they entail, how I got started, and the kind of income they provide. So, what exactly is a giver? It's a hybrid role between a travel consultant and a travel guide. But how did I even land this gig? I've been traveling since I was 16, often prefer off-the-beaten-path destinations. So one time, while planning a trip to China's Xinjiang region, I just noticed that a travel company's itinerary matched 8% of the route I had planned for myself. I thought, well, this company must have great taste. So I dug a little deeper into them, found they were reputable, and learned they were hiring. Here's a kicker. I didn't just submit a typical resume. I emailed them my resume and a book I've written during my travels, which detailed my thoughts on travel and my unique approach to it. And guess what? They loved it. After an informal phone call, I was invited for an in-person interview. The interview went well, and after some training, I became a giver. A role that's about more than just guiding tours. It's about giving others a transformative travel experience. But why giver? The idea behind the name is simple yet profound. As givers, we believe in the power of giving. Sharing our love for travel, our experiences, and even our skills with the people we meet on the road. We are not traditional tour guides. We share cultures, we share our experiences, and we even share our personal lives. We take people on different trips, but more importantly, we encourage them to give back. Whether it's highlighting charitable causes in third world countries or supporting local conservation efforts, we aim to leave a positive impact on both the travelers and the communities we visit. For example, we might take our group to India and introduce them to women working in local cooperatives or lead a trip to Sri Lanka where we focus on elephant conservation. These experiences are not just cool things to do, they are life-changing for the participants and often help them see the world in a new light. So let's talk about the numbers because I know you are curious. On average, I work about 10 days per month. My monthly income from this job ranges between 8,000 and 12,000 renminbi. That's roughly about 1,200 to 1,800 US dollars. The amount varies based on factors like the destinations, the difficulty of the trip, and how long I've been with this company, right? So is this enough to live lavishly? No. But if you are not someone who spends excessively, it's enough to get by. And plus, this job comes with great non-monetary perks like travel stipends, free accommodations, and the chance to explore some of the world's most unique places. So how do I make up for the fact that being a giver isn't a high-income gig? That's where content creation comes in. If you've been following me for a while, you will know I'm pretty active on social media, particularly on the Redbook. I've shared the details about this platform in another video. Here's the short version. It's a Chinese social media platform where I post the travel content. Now you might be wondering, isn't being an influencer super competitive? Yes, it is. And with China's current economic downturn, it's harder than ever to make money. However, it's still possible to earn through brand sponsorships, even if the income isn't as substantial as it used to be. Plus, it's the added bonus of receiving free products, accommodations, and experiences, which cuts down on my personal expense while traveling. And the reason content creation works so well as a side hustle is because it aligns perfectly with my passion. I already love traveling and I enjoy filming, editing, and sharing my experiences. Even though the market has changed, there's still value in producing quality content that resonates with people. I can't even tell you how rewarding it is when someone comments on my video saying my travel tips or itineraries help them plan their trip. That's the kind of feedback that makes the effort worth it. Of course, being a giver or a content creator isn't the only way to make money while traveling. I've met countless travelers who earn their income in a variety of creative ways. Some people teach languages online, others work as digital nomad coaches, and some even run YouTube channels like this one. If you're interested, I will make another video in the future. As long as you have skills and a reliable internet connection, the possibilities are endless. The key is finding what works for you and staying consistent. The more valuable your skill, the more you can charge for your services. So to sum it up, yes, you can travel the world and earn money at the same time, even if you are not financially free yet. Whether it's working as a giver, becoming a content creator, or offering online services, there are many ways to fund your travel lifestyle. You don't need to wait until you are retired or have a ton of money saved up. Well, I don't need a fancy house, a fancy car. I don't need a private helicopter to travel. All I want is freedom. And believe me, if you prioritize freedom of time and place over financial freedom, you can live the life you want. Because the degree of financial freedom is different for everyone, but your ideal lifestyle can start right away. All you have to do is learn a skill and then help others. You know, the world is out there waiting for you, and the best time to see it is now. As I always say, travel makes you a more complete, resilient, and confident person. So don't put it off. Start planning your next adventure today. And see you next time.